Hi everyone, this is Miss D. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on cooking your hamburger slash cheeseburger meal. This is our ingredients. 2 pounds of ground beef, a whole green pepper, half slice of a large onion, Worcestershire sauce, A1 steak sauce, salt and pepper to taste. The next step is food processing the ingredients. After washing and deseeding the pepper, I put it in my food processor and start cutting. You will do the same thing to the onions. You're gonna food process it next. Now you're gonna add your onions and peppers in the ground beef that you food process. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of your A1 steak sauce to the meat. Next is seasoning it to taste. I will use half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Next is mixing all the ingredients in the bowl. You have to make sure you wash your hands again before you mix it. After doing that, I made a patty. It's not a perfect shape, but you can also make it a triangle, a rectangle, a square, any shape you like it to be. And indentation in the middle. As you can see, there's a dimple in there. I didn't dip deep enough to make a deep hole, but just about half of the burger size. Next is frying it over medium heat. As you can see, I put the indentation on the top first. Then you're gonna flip this in about 2 minutes. You can cover it up too. While it's cooking. Next is heating the oil to a medium heat and frying it. As you can see, I put the dimple side up. You can also cover it while frying. At this time, after about 3 to 5 minutes, I have to flip it over, and as you can see, the brown spot. I have flipped it again, and notice the dimple is gone while it's cooking. Now I'm going to put the cheese on top of each burger because we love cheeseburger here. Let it cook for about 1 minute or 2. You can leave the top off. And I'm gonna turn off the heat so it won't burn. I'm just letting the cheese melt while it cooks. Here you go, the finished product. I also prepared a French fries. This is store-bought. In the bun, I use a mayonnaise dressing. You can use a ketchup or mustard. If you want a hamburger, just leave out the cheese. I hope you enjoy this video. This is Miss D saying, be safe out there.